Customizing your interface will put your favorite tools even closer. Enable customization with the Enable Customize button in the Preferences menu. Now hold both Ctrl and Alt keys to click and drag to move interface buttons. Click and drag any button or brush to one of 4 shelf areas. ZBrush offers a great deal of customization. Even grab the Enable Customization button and place it. When done editing, deactivate the Enable Customization button and navigate to the Config submenu, where your options to load or save UI are here. Click Save UI to store your UI setup wherever you want, and click Store Config to store your current UI as your startup UI when you open ZBrush. A pop-up message will appear saying the same. The Restore Custom UI will reset any changes made to your UI back to the stored config UI. And Restore Standard UI will restore ZBrush to its standard default UI. Custom menus take your customization to the next level. Open Preferences and click Enable Customize. Next, open the Custom UI submenu and press the Create New Menu button. Give it a name. You can always change this later. Press Enter to commit and place your custom menu at the end. It will hop in alphabetical order once clicked. Open and drag to dock for further editing. Just like before, hold both Ctrl and Alt keys while click and dragging to place items into your new menu. Each row of placed items will align left until the row is filled and can be switched around by dragging over one another. Remove by Ctrl Alt clicking and dragging items into your viewport.